all rear bulbs and rear light assembly removal on the Skoda Octavia MK3 VRS. The assembly removal is the same on all the Octavias, but the specific bulbs required may be different on different models. On the VRS we've got LED daytime running lights / side lights, so there isn't a side light bulb to replace, and all we've got are the reverse bulb, the indicator bulb and the fog light bulb on the driver's side on the right hand drive model. So to remove the rear light we have to remove this plastic cover. And the manual does specify placing a tool in here and pulling and releasing, but we can, if you can just peel the plastic out slightly, it will pull out of position easily. And once it's pulled away from the fitting on the outer edge, it will just slide out. And now we've just got two T20 Torx screws. So the only fasteners that you've actually got are these two screws here. There are two lugs clipped into position here, and if this is the first time you're removing the fitting, it will be pretty stiff to get it removed, but it slides back. Don't be tempted to pull the fitting out or pull it any other direction than directly backwards. If it is sticking a little bit, don't stick a screwdriver down here, stick a wide plastic pry tool and just ease it in. Don't use the tool to remove the fitting, and just slowly work the fitting out and away from the car. So these are the two plastic lugs that locate into this rubber here. Once the fitting is completely loose, we need to disconnect the clip connector here. So we've just got a little tab at the left hand side of the screen now. But when you're doing this, you'll want to be careful not to drop the fitting. So you'll definitely need both hands to do this. So disconnect the connector tab on the left hand side and keep a good hold of the fitting. To access the bulbs on the fitting, we need to remove 4 more T20 Torx screws for the bulb holder. Plastic connector inside the fitting. Don't have to remove it if you're just changing the bulbs, but it makes it easier for me to show you. So I've got gloves on so I don't contaminate the bulbs. PY21W for the indicator. A normal P21W for the brake light and a H21W for the fog light. So it looks like the stop and tail are actually both part of the light assembly, so therefore LED. All we've got are the indicator bulb, which is a PY21W, just push and turn anti-clockwise. The reverse light bulb, which is a P21W. And the fog light, which is a H21W. So for the number plate light bulbs, we just need to push the lamp towards the left hand side of the car, the opposite to how it looks on this. Looks like it's got a clip, but all you need to do is push the whole assembly away from the connector and you've just got a W5W wedge bulb. These have been replaced with LED ones. And these just wedge back in place. Insert the connector first and push the fitting back in. Just pushing the lens towards the left of the car. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. If it has, then please do leave a comment. For more videos on this car and many others, please do check out my channel.